Hello Hungry fam, my name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to cook a Korean 3-course meal for a BTS fan with whom I'm going to answer a few BTS related questions. Not only that, but she has to do a blindfold taste test and guess what I have prepared for her. So before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. Now let's welcome my cute little baby sister Shriya.
Hello Hungry fam, how are you?
Do you know what you are doing today?
I'm hoping to test good Korean food.
Yes, that you will, but not that easily because you have to do a blindfold taste test and guess what I've prepared? Easy?
Yes, absolutely.
So let's start tasting. For the first time, I'm not going to rate my food, but she is, so I've prepared a perfect bite for her.
Is it beef? Did you get beef? माँ से तो पक्का परमिशन नहीं देने वाली, guarantee. It's so delicious. It's actually melting in my mouth, and I can sense all the flavors.
Oh wow, what do you think the dish is?
Is it bulgogi?
Open the blindfold and check yourself.
Okay. Oh my god, it really is. It's so nice. I could actually sense the barbecue flavor and straight away dig into it. पर दिखने को तो ये beefy लग रहा है क्या ये?
It's mushroom, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Let me taste it again. It's so good. I'm definitely going to rate it 9 on 10.
Now I'm going to let her taste the second, that is the main course.
It's definitely noodles, but I don't remember the dish. Let me guess. Wait. It's soft, I can tell that, and it's nice. Taste यहाँ तक है मेरी, but याद ही नहीं आ रहा है. Any clues?
Okay, let me give you a hint. You only told me the story once that RM escaped the practice. You know कि उनको छोड़ के वो ये खाने गया था वॉशरूम के बहाने से.
Just wait. Is it black bean noodles?
Yes, it is. Okay, now remove your blindfold and see.
Okay. Wow. This looks nice. For this dish, I would rate her 7 on 10.
It's dessert time. It's not a spoon, so be careful. It's slightly hot.
Oh my god. I could actually guess it without even eating.
What is it then?
It's definitely hota.
Since you got that right, there's a drink towards your left side.
Okay.
Be careful.
Oh, definitely banana milk. Even with the smell, I can tell you.
Now you can remove your blindfold.
Hota is one of my favorite Korean dish and you must definitely try it. Back in 2019, I had it a lot. It's one of the famous Korean street food. I will definitely rate it without doubt 10 on 10. And Jake's favorite, banana milk, that it has to be 10 on 10.
Now let's start with the BTS Q&A, and the first question is from Udaya Kumari. What is the meaning of ARMY and what is BTS? So I guess this is for the people who do not know what BTS is. I guess it's better if you answer it.
Yes, BTS is a world famous Korean band. It has 7 incredible members and it is also called as Bangtan Sonyeondan. Its fan followers call themselves as ARMY.
Now let's move on with the next question, which is from Jyoti Farswal. How and when did you become an ARMY?
So actually my colleague introduced me to the K-pop music and I used to review a lot of BTS products online. That's when I was interested in those BTS music and I started listening to them. But back in 2019, I was too addicted to their music, but later on I started paying attention to their lyrics and that's when I connected to them. And since then I'm an ARMY.
Okay, so about me, Obviously, first I heard it from her, and then once I rated a successful hack big hit, tab se you all went crazy in the comment section, so I had to Google it. That's when I started knowing what BTS actually is. But about an army, I still don't know if I can call myself an army because it's hardly been a month that I'm listening to their music. The next question is from Shobha Gona. Who is your favorite bias?
My favorite bias keeps on changing. For now, it's V.
Okay, so as I mentioned, I've hardly been listening to them since a month. But according to me, all of them are amazing. So, but अगर versatility देखे तो I think JK is my favorite. Who is the best cook among BTS? जितना भी episodes I've seen of Run BTS, I think it's Jin or Suga. The next question is from Eat Ginny WWH. Favorite BTS song?
My favorite BTS song is Dynamite.
Okay, mine is Fake Love. And what was the first song of BTS that you listened to?
I guess my first song was Blood, Sweat and Tears. Yeah, that
Okay.
was my first song.
Mine was Dynamite, which I heard on Reels. They are multilingual. If you ever listen their Japanese song, favorite BTS Japanese song.
So for me, it's Don't Leave Me.
Okay, मेरे को इसने कल ही सुनाया था, so I'm going to answer lights. The next question is from Sumaya Muhammad Ali. Favorite iconic line?
I'm worldwide handsome by Jin.
Okay, mine is JK is frustrating and their English is so funny and super cute. The next question is from Ishita Bhatia. Favorite concert performance?
Actually, I told you yesterday it's Crystal Snow.
Yeah. Mine is Spine Breaker since the Jin ka choreography is super funny. The next question is from Ash Reds. How would you describe BTS? By that I meant, what are your opinions on them?
In my opinion, BTS are the seven wonders of music, and they are spreading the message of love through music. Not only that, they are spreading the message that we should be expressing all our emotions, be it sadness, be it as anger, it's all that.
For me, I used to think BTS is really overhyped, but now that I'm listening to their music and watching all the episodes, I really feel that they deserve all the hype. Whatever they have gone through and whatever they are spreading is really positive, and I truly believe in that. The next question is from I am Elena Gurung. Do you know Korean language? What is the meaning of saranghae?
I know the basics, like hello we call as aning haseyo, and sarange, yes, it's called as I love you.
Yeah. The next question is from Asma Parveen DVG. Do you like to go to South Korea? She has already visited, and yes, I would love to travel, be it anywhere in the world. The next question is from Ankita Giri. Who is your favorite singer in BTS?
It's we.
Mine is JK since he is versatile. Then favorite dancer, I guess it's J-Hope.
Yes, I agree with you. It's J-Hope. It's since he is the leader of dancing.
The next question is from Pirzada Teba. Why all of you use Purple Heart?
I purple you means I love you, I trust you, and I'm loyal towards you till the end. And as purple is the last rainbow color, it means I love you till infinity.
Oh, that's why she suggested me to wear purple today.
Yeah.
The next question is from Army Tay. If you were BTS personal chef, what would you cook for them? So that's kind of my question. I would love to make them delicious, soulful Indian delicacies, and I will make them eat with hands without the chopsticks for sure. What food you will most likely to have when you reach Korea? I'll definitely have ramen all day. And you?
For sure, I'm having tteokbokki.
Okay. Okay, if BTS were Indians, who would you choose to marry? Who is your crush?
Oh, that's difficult because I love them all. But yes, it's we always.
She's a crazy V fan. But for me, yes, everyone is cute. Yeah, I can't decide who to marry. So I'll skip this question. Next question is, if BTS was not formed, then what they must be doing instead of being singers?
What I have seen is Jin always wanted to become an actor, and Jimin was always a performer. And Suga, songwriter, producer, and RM, he has a business mind. So yes, businessman. And V is of course saxophonist, and J-Hope wanted to become a tennis player, and Jungkook who wanted to become a gamer.
The next question is from Kripa Chudasama. What is the hardest choreography that they have learnt? I don't think all that answers are super hard, okay? Because the set and everything is so mesmerizing. So I think you should answer it. I have no idea.
So I believe according to the interviews, it's a danger.
The next is, why is V so popular?
V is my favorite because he has a unique voice and his personality is so amazing and is undoubtedly the world handsome man to be announced in 2020.
Okay, I agree. And next is, who is the most handsome? For her, I'm only answering it's V. For me, all of them. They are really handsome. The next question is again from Sumaya Muhammad Ali. It's kind of a rapid fire. Boy with love or dynamite?
Dynamite.
Boy with love. Fake love or fire?
Fake love.
Fake love. V or Jungkook?
V.
Jungkook. V. Yeah. Favorite episode of Run BTS?
Actually, I don't remember, but yes, I can tell you one where everyone were wearing headphones and they're listening loud music and passing messages. I remember it was the word carbonara. They were passing. It was too funny.
Okay, mine is the cooking episode, obviously, where we got the squirrel shaped platter to serve chotu sa sauce. So that was very, very funny. Next is Jimin or Jungkook? Jungkook.
Jimin.
Okay. DNA or life goes on? DNA.
Life goes on.
Okay. Next question is from Sweetie Blink. It's, I think, a question for me. You would meet BTS or your subscribers. So meeting BTS is like 0.01% chances. So I would obviously meet my beautiful subscribers. The next is from Gigi. Who is the hottest according to you?
We, no doubt about it.
Okay, I think Jungkook. Even Jin is really hot. The next question is from The Rock. Message for haters. So, hate is a very, very strong word according to me. You cannot hate anyone without even knowing them or meeting them in person. So, I feel instead of hating, you should always spread love. And especially during this pandemic where everyone needs each other, you need to support them. So, just spread positivity, happiness, and yeah, don't spread hate. The last question is, tell the real names. The last question is from BTS Army Vlogs. Tell the real names of all BTS members. Then there's a similar question from Shraddha Bhalera. Say the BTS chant. So I think both of them are the same thing. Okay, she knows it by heart. So I'm going to try it. And please don't judge me if I do it wrong, okay? So, Kim Namjoon, Kim Seojin, Min Yoongi, Thang Hoso, Park Jimin, Kim Taehyung, Tang Jungkook, BTS. Okay,
Whoa.
it wasn't bad. But not that fast as the hardcore armies do. I think this fan chant is a perfect way to end this video here. I hope you enjoyed it because again we tried something new to do an interaction video. So yes, drop your suggestions down in the comment section what you want me to try next.
And do subscribe to Hunger Plans.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My friend Shruti Rao helped me a lot in this video, even recipe wise and all the song suggestions. So a big shout out to her. There were in total 21 images including gifts. Since you all got that right, today's shout out goes to Shipra Bose, Ira, Marissa Mahavin, Shreya Sarkar and Amrita Priyadarshini. If you want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video. Tell me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos. Try these delicious recipes and let me know what you think about today's challenge. Also, today's shout out goes to